What you doing, Ellen? What are you doing? Where's Dada? Dada? Dada. Walking around. This is a new toy from Addison and Ryland that they gave you today. Turn your back on me. Put to come over and see ya. Oh, scare ya? Tell us what it does. Hey, how old are you? 11 months. You're almost 1. Keep turning your back to me. Do you not want to be on videotape? Look at that cute little neck. Cute, cute, cute. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Can you wave? Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Can you wave bye-bye? Bye. Oh, that's great. Good job.